Ever wondered how to get more dice rolls in Monopoly Go? Let's explore some strategies to keep those rolls coming. First, make sure to collect your daily treats. Simply tap the menu button and look for the daily treats icon. These often include free dice rolls, cash, and other goodies. Next, tackle your quick wins. These are short, easy tasks that refresh daily and reward you with dice rolls, sticker packs, and more. Participate in tournaments. Tournaments are limited events where you compete against other players for top rankings. The higher you rank, the more dice rolls and other prizes you'll win. Also, keep an eye on Milestone Events. These events reward you for landing on specific properties or performing other in-game actions. Each milestone unlocks a new reward, often including dice rolls. Don't forget about your friends. Add friends in Monopoly Go and send them daily gifts. Sometimes these gifts include dice rolls. And of course, you can always purchase dice rolls in the in-game shop. Keep an eye out for special promotions and bundles that offer the best value. Keep rolling and build your Monopoly empire.